Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to repost Instagram Reels. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead into your app store right here on Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just start looking for Instagram, okay? And basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just double check if the Instagram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the Instagram. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into selecting the reel that I want to share or repost on Instagram, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click the arrow kind of a thing at the below right corner, and from here you're gonna see add to story, right? And basically what's gonna happen, you're gonna see that reel been reposted on my Instagram story, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit to your story, and basically you'll be able to repost that Instagram reel to your Instagram story. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.